On this video, we will show you how to lock apps on your iPhone with a password or Touch ID. App lock can be a great way to protect your sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access to your apps. We will provide step-by-step instruction on how to set up app locks on your iPhone. Here are the step-by-step instructions for locking apps on your iPhone. But before that, make sure that your iPhone has set up your Face ID or passcode. After you already activate the Face ID or passcode, you open the clock application on your iPhone. After you open it, tap on Timer menu located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then, you can set the timer to 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 1 second. After you set the timer, tap on Radar. Scroll down until you found Stop Playing. Tap on it. After that, you tap Set. Now, we're done with the timer. We can close the timer. Then, the second one, we are going to open the shortcut application on your iPhone. Tap on it. Then, you can tap Automation. The icon is right on the center bottom of your screen. And you can tap on Create Personal Automation here. Tap on it. You can scroll down and look for the app. Look for the app. After that, you tap on it. There are two options here. Is open and is closed. Choose is open. After that, you can see the choose button next to app text. You can tap on choose. Now, there are list of applications you already have or installed on your phone. You can select the application from the list that you want to lock. For example, I'm going to choose WhatsApp. This is for the sample, right? After you pick the application, then tap Done. After that, you tap Next. You can tap on Add Action button here. Then you can choose Timer. Maybe you can search it on searching bar. After that, you can pick the Start Timer here. As we can see, the start timer is for 5 minutes. You can change it into 1 second. So, from 1 minute, you can change it manually. After you change start timer for 1 second, you can tap Next. Then you can see, Ask Before Running is on. You turn it off. After that, you tap Done. Now, we already setting the lock application. Then we can try it. On the WhatsApp application, we can open it. As you can see, after 1 second, we open the application. The app will automatically lock and you will be prompted to enter your passcode or use Touch ID to unlock it. That's it for our video, how to lock apps on iPhone with a password or Touch ID. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment below. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching and bye!